Your washing machine is more versatile than you think, and it's not only for clothes. Cleaning car mats is easier than you think. Most rubber and upholstered mats can be cleaned in a washing machine. Make sure to dust off and thoroughly vacuum your car mats before you put them in the washing machine. This will get rid of any pet hair, dust, and dirt that could harm your washing machine. For lighter color upholstered car mats, you can use a stain remover to spot treat any stains. Before you give this a go, make sure your car mats actually fit inside your washing machine. Don't overstuff your washer. You may need to wash in batches. There's a variety of washing machines out there, so make sure you're using the right settings. If it's your first time cleaning your mats, try the delicate setting. That'll be the most gentle on your car mats. It's best to avoid the dryer and hang dry your mats. Most mats will air dry quickly. Washing machines are versatile and not just for clothes.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.